If you've ever styled your wavy hair and felt pretty happy with it, like, yeah, this is good, I will take this. And then you look in the mirror the next morning, or actually even worse, a couple of hours later, and think, oh, what has happened? Why does my hair look so frizzy, undefined, bad, Hagrid-like, all of the above? This video is for you, because I don't think you or your hair are the problem. In fact, I know you're not. I think the problem is that somewhere along the way, and I don't know when or why this happened, but we stopped treating wavy hair as a texture and we started treating it like a method. A method with rules, very strict routines, lots of products, and the idea that as long as you do everything correctly, then our hair will behave. Behave, whatever that means. So we ended up following these strict rules and routines and spending our hard-earned money on complicated product stacks, only to feel frustrated and disappointed when our hair didn't turn out as expected, or perhaps it looked okay to begin with, but then the results didn't last. And then when that happens, I think it's natural to assume I must be doing something wrong, which leads you to kind of thinking, do you know what? Wavy hair is too much effort. I'm just going to go back to straightening it. But this time you feel guilty about doing that. Yeah, fun times. But here's the thing. I don't think we've been failing at wavy hair. I think we've been treating the most versatile, most flexible hair texture like it's a rigid method. And when you do that, it's almost inevitable that you're going to end up feeling disappointed and frustrated, and your bank balance isn't going to look so good. Honestly, wavy hair is the most flexible texture. Natural enhancement, smooth and sleek, big 90s blowout, beachy waves. We can style our hair in so many ways. When you have wavy hair, every hair routine is a wavy hair routine. Once I started thinking about my hair as a texture instead of a rigid method, it just made everything so much easier. Easier to care for it, easier to identify what problems were and how to address them, and definitely much easier to style. The whole thing just feels so much simpler. Now, please don't get me wrong, I love a natural wave enhancement. I do those routines, I enjoy them, I think they work, and you will find plenty of them on my channel. But here's the shift that just kind of changed everything for me. Natural wave enhancement is just one way to style your hair. It's one tool in a toolbox. It's not the toolbox itself. And when you think about your hair this way, it stops you from feeling like you're failing. And it starts feeling like you're just making a choice. You're just choosing how to style your wavy hair based on loads of different factors, like how much time you've got available, the amount of effort you want to put in, perhaps the occasion. You know, I'll style my hair differently based on where I'm going, what I'm doing, even what I'm wearing. Basically, thinking about how you want your hair to look and feel will help you choose the right routine. Some days I have got the time and energy to diffuse. Great, awesome, I'll do it. I'm not going to say I'll enjoy it, but I'll do it. And other days it's dark and cold. Hello, January and February in the UK. And it's not going to happen. I can't face it. So I choose to heat style instead. On hot summer days or on holiday, an air dry routine is ideal. It's quick, it's effortless, and I love the look. But in winter, that just doesn't suit my lifestyle. And none of that means that you're failing at wavy hair. It just means we're using different tools in the toolbox. For me, as long as I'm prioritising the health and strength of my hair, I'm not concerned that I'm losing the texture. I don't think texture disappears. I think it just shows up differently based on how you've styled it. So if you have ever felt like wavy hair just isn't worth the effort, I think and hope that you will like the direction I'm taking my channel. because I'm really focusing on content that is about wavy hair as a texture, not a rigid method. If that sounds helpful, I would love it if you subscribe. And if you'd like to get notified about new videos, you can just click on the bell. This definitely isn't about your hair looking perfect. I'm not promising that because that's not realistic. But it is about enjoying your hair texture, making the most of it, having loads of different options, no guilt, definitely no guilt, and routines that actually fit your lifestyle. And if your lifestyle means that you have a couple of hours available and are feeling like putting in some serious effort, you may love this glass hair routine, but it's definitely not for you if you're short on time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.